Log into your email account and click on the email which contains your Microsoft Teams invitation link. The meeting link can be seen at the bottom of the email in blue letters. Click on the blue link that says "Click here to join the meeting" and you will then be taken to the Teams launch page. If you have already downloaded the Teams application to your desktop, you can click Open Microsoft Teams. Your Teams app will now open. Enter your name into the box shown on the screen and click Join Now. If the host of your meeting has not started the meeting yet, you will receive a "When the meeting starts, we'll let people know you're waiting" message. You will be able to join once the host accepts you into the meeting. You will now be able to see the End Call button, the number of participants, and the Chat button. To leave the meeting, click on the red color Hang Up button in the right side corner to leave the meeting. You will now be taken back to the Teams launch page. To use Microsoft Teams through your browser, click Continue on Browser. This does not require you to download the Teams app to your desktop. When the message box pops up, click Allow to use your microphone and video. By toggling these two buttons, you can choose whether you want to turn your microphone and video on or off. Like before, enter your name and click Join Now. You will be able to join once your host accepts you into the meeting. To leave the meeting, click the red Hang Up button.